Race Against E-Waste team from the Interact Club in J.P. Stevens High School in Edison, New Jersey. My name is Shreya.
I'm Sarika.
I'm Soham.
And I'm Sayam.
Our ambitious proposal to change the world will target SDGs 8, 12, and 13. Our project consists of an environmentally friendly way to refine e-waste and sell it to companies. E-waste consists of electronic devices and other technology. Tons of e-waste is often sent to developing countries where women and children recycle e-waste under low wages and unhealthy conditions. For example, in Guai, China, 80% of children have serious health problems because of the toxins in e-waste. This is because people often burn the e-waste instead of recycling it, which affects the air and land quality. The problems with e-waste management have become a crisis. We need the private sector to take leadership on this issue and become more sustainable for the people, planet, and global economy.
Our solution to the e-waste problem is to strengthen the global market for e-waste reconsumption. We would do this by creating a sustainable global nonprofit organization that would work with partnering companies to break down e-waste in facilities and harvest the materials. These materials, such as gold, copper, silver, and other metals, would be extracted and sold to businesses in various sectors. Our refinement facilities will start off in a developing country such as India or China, which already has a large quantity of e-waste. After the permit process, we will work with local shipping companies and companies from around the world to establish a steady inflow. In doing so, we can clean up and protect the environment and also reduce the amount of harm done to local people and children while also having a steady source of supply for our own products. In order to get a better idea of how the recycling industry works, we contacted Joe Anotic, the Business Development Manager for New Tech Recycling, and Ed Jennington, the Regional Manager for Abington Weldon Metals.
Mr. Anotic told us how first-tier recyclers disassemble the waste, second-tier recyclers shred the waste, third-tier recyclers break the waste down further, and fourth-tier recyclers refine the waste. Then, commodity purchasers buy these products from manufacturers, who make products using these materials. Once the goods are thrown away, the whole process starts again. Our project intends to combine several of these steps, specifically the 4 tiers of recycling and selling the material, making what we do unique from traditional recycling companies.
Currently, there are 2 standard methods of isolating metals from e-waste: burning off the metals at high temperatures or using a cyanide solution to separate the metals.
However, there is a better way. Researchers at the University of Saskatchewan found a new method of refining e-waste using acetic acid, most commonly found in vinegar. This method is faster, less toxic, and produces less waste. It costs $1,520 to extract 1 kilogram of gold from a cyanide solution and makes 5,000 liters of waste. The same amount of gold can be extracted using acetic acid for $66 with only 100 liters of waste. If this solution is implemented, our project will be the first to use this process on a large scale. We also contacted one of the researchers from the university, but unfortunately, he was unavailable for comment. Their work indicated that they were currently looking for industry partners to apply this method on a larger scale. We intend to be a partner for these researchers to bring a clean, green, and unique approach to recycling. With our industry partners, we plan to extract the metals safely and shape them into metal capsules for sale.
Furthermore, our project will create safe jobs for all of our workers. Our inclusive and nurturing employment program will ensure a minimum pay and worker compensation, and will help lift people out of poverty. As handling e-waste can be hazardous, our workers will also be equipped with the skills and technology to handle toxic chemicals. We will also build our facilities using sustainable ingredients, develop a climate action plan for each facility, and use zero-discharge technologies to make sure our wastewater is recycled. This plan will make our process very unique from other companies.
Additionally, our project will strengthen the e-waste industry. Our project would disincentivize the use of mining for rare materials and make it cost-effective for customers to buy from us.
To support our ambitious goals and initiatives, we've designed a funding plan. As part of our plan, we will file for a 501c3 tax-exempt organization and apply for private and government grants. We will also aim to get investments, sponsorships, and partnerships, such as partnering with the UN Environment Program.
Not only is our solution feasible and well thought out, but also a remarkable way to solve an outrageous problem in the world. Our project will promote a circular economy in which valuable materials can be reused, while facilitating the chain of consumption so that these finite materials are not put to waste. Recovering metals and other materials from e-waste is not only sustainable, but more affordable. This process is 13 times cheaper than mining, which has a severely detrimental impact on the environment, which we are striving to protect. Through our proactive approach towards the environment, we hope to turn the tide on the negative sentiment attached to refinery businesses and set an example for future corporations. This solution can make the world a better place one step at a time by reducing toxic electronic waste and protecting lives all around the world. We will only be able to do this with your help, so we hope you join us and make haste to recycle e-waste.